In this video, we'll do a brief overview of DALL-E, which is an AI image generator, and talk about how it could be helpful with our web-based learning tools. So DALL-E creates an AI-generated image based on a text prompt that you give it. It is owned by OpenAI and is now built directly into ChatGPT, so it tends to be quite user-friendly as teachers and students alike become more and more familiar with the ChatGPT interface and environment. So here you can see I'm asking for an image of a volcano. I haven't given much detail here. So when we give a general style prompt like this, we tend to get an AI generated image. I think this style is becoming familiar to all of us. It's detailed. It's probably pulling from various styles of art, of painting, and it could suit your needs just as is. If, however, you wanted something specific, you just have to tell DALL-E that. So here I've asked for a diagram of the structure of a volcano. I asked for specific elements to be shown, and I mentioned a style that I wanted. I said a simple, visually engaging style, and this is what it gave me. If I wanted it to be in a different artistic style, I could mention that as well. So we think that DALL-E could be very helpful for the web-based learning tools. The major reason being that if you do need a specific image, you can create it yourself rather than trying to find it online. So that could save some time, and it might be an image that doesn't exist. If there's a certain diagram or something that you want students to interact with, that could save you some time and give you more of what you're looking for. But then there's also some theory that would back up the use of DALL-E. So we were thinking having students use the tool themselves and work with different prompts and analyze like the bias and the stereotypes that they might see in the resulting images would be in line with constructivist theory, the co-creation of knowledge. But then there's also lots of theory that talks about how having text with an image tagged to it is really helpful for retention and engagement. And so we thought this would back that up as well. Additionally, the principles of universal design for learning could be worked with here. So providing students with multiple ways to access information, express their understanding could support UDL, as well as helping students convert abstract ideas to something more concrete. So for example, in a sociology class, I was talking about a classless society and if that was desirable or if that was possible, and tagging an AI image to that seemed to help students brainstorm and understand what it was that I was asking. So in our next steps, we are going to look at how specifically this could be used in web-based learning tools, how that might look in your lessons. So we look forward to talking more about that.